These are things that hurt your open rate and your click-through rate. And that means you could be leaving money on the table, which is something you don't want to do. Welcome to 17 email mistakes you'll never make again. We're going to include some mistakes that you absolutely want to avoid, as well as some missed opportunities. So the good news is, once you're familiar with these 17 mistakes, they're very easy to spot, and they're easy to fix. Mistake number 1, missing the lift bracket spring. World Data is a company that analyzes 6 billion emails every year. And what they found is, if you take the first word or 2 or 3 of your subject line and you put brackets or parentheses around it, you can get a 28% lift in opening rate. Now, the reason for this is most people don't do it. So if someone is scanning their inbox, their eye is immediately attracted to anything with the brackets or the parentheses. They pay attention and they engage. It's a great way to get people to engage with your email. All right, mistake number 2, too much distance between before and after shots. So we know that before and after shots work. It's a great way to show progress. It's a great way to show the efficacy of your product or your service. But here's the thing, you have to do it the right way. The University of British Columbia ran a study, and what they found was the closer the before and after pictures are to each other, the stronger the relationship people believe there is, and the better they think the product is. So you want to put those before and after shots really close together. So here we have an example. It's from Smile Train, and the girl, whose face is the after, is holding her before shot down by her stomach. And that's a missed opportunity. She should hold it up next to her face. The closer they are together, the stronger the relationship is, the better the efficacy is of the product. So compare that to this piece. Here, we've got an email where the before and after shots are really close together. People have a tendency to believe the relationship is stronger and the product is better. All right, mistake number 3, spelling out numbers. Now, we know in email marketing that using numbers is good. They offer a certain amount of credibility, but you have to use them the right way. And it has to do with how people's brains work. Here we have 3, and it's spelled out. It's a missed opportunity. Spelling it out means that it blends in with the sea of words in somebody's inbox, right? There's just a sea of words and letters, and that 3 just blends right in. Compare that to using the actual numerals. 3 designs, 1 winner. Those numbers, 3 and 1, they jump right out. People notice them, they pay attention, and they do good work for us. All right, mistake number 4, having just one offer. Now, we know in email marketing that offers are good, offers drive response. That's a very good thing. But having just one is a missed opportunity. Why? Because research out of Tulane University found that having multiple offers, a second, a third, even a fourth offer, can quadruple the likelihood that someone will make a buying decision in the moment. Let's look at a couple of examples. Here we have Pier 1, and they've got one offer, 20% off. The recipient has to decide, do I or do I not want to buy something at Pier 1? That's what the decision is. Now compare that to this email, also Pier 1, and they're giving you 2 ways to save. You can save $20 when you spend $100 or $100 when you spend $500. And suddenly the decision isn't, do I or do I not want to buy something from Pier 1? The decision is, which of these 2 savings opportunities do I want? Mistake number 5, not making coupons look like coupons. So a lot of times in marketing, we're like, well, we know coupons work, but we want to make that coupon look pretty. We want to design it in a way that's aesthetically pleasing. And that's actually a mistake. And here's the reason why.
Want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
You'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SUBTA Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it, it's all there at SUBTA.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SUBTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at SUBTA.com.